Hey guys, what is going on? This is Daryl, and this is day 12 or 13. I can't remember. I can't tell by my watch, but it's of the 25 days of disc golf. As you can see, there's snow out here. Yesterday, there was about 6 inches of snow. Well, 2 days ago. It's starting to go away now, but it is still bitter cold. The wind has been brutal. So today, going to do some putting practice. I had fun doing that last year, so we'll do it this year. And as we go, I'll tell you the putters I'm using because some of these are from the mystery boxes that I picked up. Okay, we start off with this is a P Model S that I just have in my basement. Now, at first, I'm gonna be about 15 feet, then kind of slowly back up to about 20. The goal is to make all of them. And my putting has been terrible lately because I haven't been practicing. There we go. And this is going to be my Simply Incredible Pure. This is the gold plastic. Here is the Pure and the Zero Medium. And I hope this sounds all right because I have the mic right beside my mouth. Next, now the next four are what I got out of mystery boxes. The first two are going to be the Gyropaloozas. The next two are going to be the Discmania. This one is the Pitch. So I think this is a putter. Might be putter and approach. Feels like a heavy glitch. This is the Atom. And forgive me because I don't know plastics on these, but it's the clear plastic. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. And next are the two Discmania. We have P1. And from what I understand about their numbering system, like P1 is more overstable, from what I understand, when you're throwing. All right, and the Logic. This is a soft Logic. I used to have a Logic. It was a little firmer than this one, but I used to love it. All right, that's the first one. We'll go back up. Again, just trying to get warmed up the first round. All right, that was the first round. We'll go back up a little bit and see how it works. Now I just pulled them out in no particular order, so we'll kind of see. Back up just a little bit, and I'll be honest, I expect to start missing them. My putting has not been real good lately, like I just said, but here we go. We're probably about 20 feet now, and the wind is starting to pick up, and it is cold when the wind blows. Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. All right. Oh my goodness. And I will also say this, since it's getting cold, I started wearing my hoodie, and it is totally messing up my putts. Doggone it. There we go. There we go. That was my Simply Incredible Pure. The first one was the P4, I think, or P3. This is my Zero Medium Pure. That should have been in. This is the Logic. Wow, at least they both hit the exact same spot. P1. Pitch. And Atom. Last year's box, I got an Atom, and I really kind of liked it. Never mind, I did not like that at all. we're gonna run it back. Oh, okay. I still don't want to go in. All right. try that 20-foot again. I think I can make all of them. All right, guys, go another round here. Let's see, starting off with my Simply Incredible Pure, and I will tell you it's a little wet, so it's getting slick. And this wind, oh my gosh, it's so cold. That's all right. I can do better. There we go. Logic, nice rubbery blend, so a little bit more grip. I thought that was gonna be low. The Atom with this clear plastic. If you guys know what the clear plastic is, let me know, because I never know. I don't know if it's plasma, photon. I don't even. I think those are actual names of discs. Now that I think about it. Oh my gosh! I'll tell you why I'm pulling everything. It's so cold. I think let it release the disc, and it releases like a second later. P Model S. Yep. My Zero Medium Pure. There we go. My what is this one there? P1. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that didn't go in. And last, the I think this one might glow too, by the way. The Pitch. There we go. We made more than half of them that time. All right, starting off with my Zero Medium Pure. This is so much harder than in summertime. I would tell you, it's so much harder. Oh my goodness. That was a Simply Incredible Pure pitch. Barely went in. P1? No, Logic. Atom. I tell you, I do not like that disc at all in the cold. It is so slick. P Model S, not a P1, P Model S. Oh my goodness. And this is the P1. Yeah, this is the P1. Wow. I am burning up everything on the right today. Right now, I'm right beside the camera. Let's see. Throwing a wet, slick disc. Oh, I accidentally kicked the camera. Pure. All right. One more run through. Oh my goodness. This really shows where not practicing and not playing very much for the last 2 months. It's killing my game. All right. Plus, playing all summer where it's 90 degrees or so, and then being out here when it's, I think it's 35 and windy. Big difference. Here we go. That was Atom, I believe. Zero Medium. I can see the comments now. Gyro technology. Gold Pure, Simply Incredible. Okay, now they're going to the left. Pitch. Gyro Schmyro. P Logic. Yeah, Logic. Man, I wouldn't think I'd be this bad. That's all right though. P Model S. Oh my gosh, that edge right there. I missed probably like 7 on that one edge. And wow, that stamp is quite glittery now that I look at it. P1. Okay, guys, you guys see what I will be working on for the next month when the weather allows, because like I say, the weather has been terrible here the last 2 weeks, really, since I've kind of started feeling a little bit better, like I can play more. And the weather was like, no, you cannot. I truly think we've had more snow this winter already. We're only midway through December, not even midway, and than we've had probably in the last few years. So it's not fun. It's not fun at all. So hopefully, it's supposed to clear up a little bit for a few days. Maybe I can start getting some trips in, getting some rounds in, but we'll see. We'll see. Get out there, do some putting practice, because I'm actually gonna stay out here longer. You guys don't want to see me keep missing these putts, but I'm gonna kind of get that putt groove back in. Maybe not today, but very soon. But that's all I got. You guys have an incredible day.